This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable food containers, specifically these Asporto multi-compartment containers. And we've got several different sizes to show you. We have the 26-ounce 3-compartment container that's 8 3/4 inches long by 6 wide and 1 3/4 inches high. We have the 32-ounce 2-compartment container that's 8 3/4 inches long by 6 inches wide by 2 inches deep. The 34-ounce 4-compartment container that's 8 3/4 inches long by 7.5 inches wide by 1.5 inches deep. And you can see it's got those nice 4 compartments there. And finally, the 34-ounce 6-compartment container that is 9 3/4 inches long by 8 1/4 inches wide and 1 3/4 deep. So you have lots of different size and setup options with these in terms of the number of compartments. In the 26 and 32-ounce containers, so the 2 and 3 compartments, you have the choice of both white or black for the color. And in these 34-ounce containers, you have the option of just the black. All of these come with their own clear lids, and the containers are microwave safe, and they're made of a BPA-free PP plastic. So they're perfect for using for takeout, especially for the reheating of leftovers, or even doing things like packing your lunches. The lids are tight-fitting to prevent leaks and spills, and the compartments are going to keep your main dishes, sides, starches, veg, and other things like your desserts all separate, keeping them at that optimal taste and texture. All of these containers are recyclable, which makes them a perfect disposable option for restaurants to use for takeout and delivery orders, or just to use at home for your leftovers, packing up lunches, or meal prep.